Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses RC to get kids excited about math and science, and been getting a lot of positive feedback on our videos about technology items. And so we're going to do another unboxing for you guys today. You guys have seen the videos on the new Surface Pro 4 that we're using. We got a dock for it as well. So this dock is a little bit pricey. I think it retails for $200. You could probably find it for like $160, $170. So just trying to determine if this is actually worth the money or not. So we'll go ahead and open it here. So we'll do the unboxing today and then get it installed and then give you guys our thoughts. So one thing that I'm huge on is just as a consumer, as a buyer and user of technology, are things worth it, right? Is there a good return on investment? Is there a good bang for the buck? So one of the things is, up until this point, we've just been using the included power adapter. So this would be nice, just not having to go behind the desk and unplug it every time we wanted to bring this computer on the road here. So it's wrapped up nicely here. We'll just go ahead and undo this and get rid of all this packaging here. So one kind of, actually we'll see if this solves kind of an intermittent problem we've been having with the Surface Pro, and this might have been fixed with more recent updates. I visited the Microsoft store and asked them about it, but sometimes the Surface Pro will just refuse to charge even though it's plugged in. So it does sense that the power supply is plugged in but doesn't charge. This thing is actually pretty hefty, so it'll be nice and stay put wherever you put it. So interesting. Oh, okay, this is the bottom of it, which is got this kind of tacky rubber, shouldn't say tacky, but grippy rubber bottom so that it'll stay put on your desk and whatnot. And with the heft, this is probably about 5 pounds or whatnot, pretty heavy. So this goes into the power connector on the Surface Pro. I really wish it has like 4, well this one doesn't, but the portable charger, the one that comes with the Surface Pro, has 4 blinking lights, but they don't give you the status of the charge. It just they just blink, or they don't even blink. They're just solid on when it's plugged in. I wish it would really give you a visual indicator of how full or how much of a charge the Surface Pro currently has on it. But anyways, this is the dock. So it's got some additional 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 mini display ports, a sound output, and an Ethernet connection. This will be nice versus always connecting through wireless there, and then the power inlet. So yeah, interesting. It's nice that it docks through all that one connector. So instruction booklet, so we don't have to unplug all the separate peripherals. That was the annoying thing about my Mac as well. There wasn't any sort of docking station available. So in this separate box, we've got the plug here. All right, for the power. Interesting. Oh. So this bottom piece looks like we've actually got a separate brick. I thought they were just going to make this one. Well, it is nice that they are the same size, so you can stack these or whatnot, but yeah, why the need for 2 separate bricks when you could just put everything into one? So you got to plug this one in, and it's got this short cord that goes to the other. Maybe I've got an idea why they have 2 separate ones, just for different geographies that require different transformers or different voltages. Oops. This plugs into this. All right, and then this plugs into the back of this. So Looks like we've got some extra gear here to go along with our Surface Pro 4. And we'll probably give you an update there in terms of just a longer term review now that we've been using it for a couple months. So thanks again for watching. Let us know if you guys find these videos useful, enjoyable. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again for watching.